I realized something that's a fact, but companies and different people would try to deceive you on this fact. They would have you thinking that money is more valuable than your time. Your time is more valuable than money. You see what I'm saying? Because your time can generate the money, and then the money works for itself. You see what I'm saying? But money isn't more valuable than your time. I had someone say, well, I bought this item. I want you to sell it for me. I said, okay, well, I need X amount of dollars to sell this. It was like, well, I bought it. I'm like, how long you been sitting on it? I've been sitting on this for about a year. How long have you been trying to sell it for? About a year. I said, so that means that it's not working what you're trying to do. I said, I can sell it for you, but I got to invest my time with networking, putting it out, my life into this that I can't get back. So my time that I got to invest in your project to help you sell it or help you do it is still important, just like what you got going on. It's equal. It's like me saying, you know what? I done made it now. Hands, feet, stuff. I don't even need y'all no more. I got this. We got this. They leave. I'm laying to the side. I can't even fucking move no more. Because I done told my legs and my feet and my hands that I don't need them. You see what I'm saying? All of this is important. All of this is important. Your team is important. We need the team. So don't get to thinking that one person is better than the other. Nah, we need all of us because time is what we got to invest. Money, man, listen, the value of US money is nothing. I watched a movie the other day. A man was wiping his ass with some money and using the money to start a fire so he can stay warm. Money is going to come with no value. It's going to be other assets that's going to have value. So don't get caught up trying to treat somebody bad for money or think that your money is more important than someone's life and someone's time. Hold on.